guys, I'm back. I know it's been almost a week since my last upload. I think 6 days or something. 5-6 days. So yeah, I really feel shit about it. I've been sick again. And in this weekend I really didn't have any time to record anything, as I was helping my mom with a lot of different stuff. Anyway guys, today we're gonna look at some of the craziest show-off fails, which is basically guys who is showing off their expensive fancy cars like BMW, Audi, all those fancy cars. But in the end they fail and it's pretty funny. So yeah, enough talk guys, let's jump right into the video and see what happens. Right, so let's see what's going on here. This looks like a car show of some sort. Oh, guys, just imagine all the scratches his front end of the car just got from the bushes here. Man, I guess he needs a new paint job after this. And he lost control of the car. You can see the police is involved here as well. Nice vintage cars. This is like, I love these old cars when back in the days when they actually like cared about the looks of the cars. Like, I mean today most cars they kinda look like the same. I don't know if it's just me. Of course, there's a huge difference when you increase your budget, I know, but if you take like a standard car and compare it with other car brands, they look kind of the same. But back in the days, you had so many different shapes of a car, which I think, yeah, I miss these old days. I mean, there's nothing like seeing these old vintage cars. It's yeah, I hope that someday I will own one of these on my own, but I really can't afford one, so yeah. He's having fun while drifting and crap. Just imagine if he pulled this off and he parked the car perfect straight into one of these car boxes, or whatever you call them. But he didn't, so he kinda looks like a fool now. Yeah, and his bumper's all messed up. Alright, I'm gonna pause the clip because I'm gonna guess that he loses control of the car and he slides off the road, which you see in most of these kind of videos. I'm not gonna lie, I've seen quite a lot of these show fail compilations on YouTube before, so yeah, that's just my guess. And I was right. And the same thing happens here. I can only imagine how bad it must feel to wreck your car, especially a car like this. I mean, it has to look perfect. This guy, he went a little too fast. And he's trying to do a burnout, I think. And something happened with the engine. Sorry, but this was fun. And you just know this is gonna end up wrong. Look at this. Look at the front wheels, they're like this, and I guess the engine is burning Yeah. Car rigged in the hood, if you know what I mean. Could be a perfect title for this video. Yeah, he's gonna slide off, yeah. So this guy is revving the engine and yeah. So look at this scenario. His back tires is spinning around, so he doesn't have a lot of traction, and he's driving on soil or mud, which further decreases your traction on the road. So yeah, this was just like coming for him, I guess. Pretty stupid if you ask me. Oh man. Just imagine like crashing a car this expensive. Whoa! You can just see from like the cars, look how fast he went. Completely wrecked. Oh my god. Wow, this guy. Actually, I've seen this clip before, it's kinda old. I think most of you guys have seen this as well. Whoa! Oh my god. This would be enough to ruin my day if it was my car. No, 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 no. This guy. Alright guys, this is it for today. I know the video is kinda short, but don't worry, I will be uploading a new video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. And yeah, if you like the video, then please do me a huge favor and smash the like button below. Also, if you have any requests for me, you know, anything in particular you want to see, then please write them in the comments below and I will see what you guys want. And yeah, guys, see you tomorrow and have a nice day. Bye!